Ever spent more time fighting a campfire than actually cooking your meal? If you've dealt with wet firewood, clouds of smoke, or fuel canisters running out at the worst possible moment, you already know how frustrating outdoor cooking can be. That's exactly where the EcoZoom Rocket Stove aims to change the experience, promising more heat, less fuel, and far less smoke than a traditional fire. Today, we're taking a closer look at the EcoZoom Rocket Stove, a heavy-duty dual-fuel camping and emergency preparedness stove designed for campers, overlanders, RV owners, outdoor cooks, and anyone looking for a reliable off-grid cooking solution. What makes this stove particularly interesting is its ability to burn both charcoal and natural biomass fuels like sticks, twigs, and branches. That flexibility alone makes it stand out in a crowded category. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the build quality leaves a strong impression. Unlike many lightweight camping stoves that feel disposable after a few seasons, the EcoZoom feels like it was built to last. The cylindrical body has a sturdy, confidence-inspiring feel, and the overall design prioritizes stability. Whether you're placing a small cooking pot or a heavy cast-iron Dutch oven on top, the stove remains planted and secure. The insulated construction is one of the most practical aspects of the design. Instead of allowing valuable heat to escape into the air, the stove channels that energy where it's needed most, directly into your cookware. In everyday use, that means faster cooking times and less fuel consumption. The stainless steel handles also deserve mention because they remain comfortable to touch even when the stove itself is operating at high temperatures. It's a small detail, but one that makes handling the stove much safer and more convenient. The cast iron cooking surface is another highlight. Its three-pronged design accommodates a wide variety of cookware sizes, from standard camping pots to larger cast iron skillets and Dutch ovens. For people who enjoy real outdoor cooking rather than simply boiling water for dehydrated meals, this flexibility is a major advantage. Performance is where the EcoZoom really starts to justify its reputation. The rocket stove design creates a strong upward airflow that feeds oxygen directly into the combustion chamber. The result is a hotter, more efficient burn compared to a traditional campfire. In practical terms, that means less waiting around for water to boil and more consistent cooking temperatures throughout the meal preparation process. One of the biggest differences you'll notice is the reduction in smoke. Anyone who has cooked over an open fire knows how often smoke seems to follow you, no matter where you stand. The EcoZoom's vertical combustion chamber significantly reduces that problem. The cleaner burn not only makes cooking more pleasant, but also helps reduce fuel waste. Because the stove extracts more energy from the fuel, you'll find yourself using less wood or charcoal than expected. Ease of use is another area where this stove performs well. Setup is straightforward, and finding fuel is rarely difficult. Twigs, branches, charcoal, and other biomass materials are usually easy to source outdoors. This makes the stove especially appealing for emergency preparedness and off-grid living situations where access to commercial fuel may be limited. Cleaning and maintenance are also refreshingly simple. Thanks to the efficient combustion process, ash accumulation stays manageable, and routine cleanup takes only a few minutes. For something designed to handle serious outdoor use, the maintenance requirements are surprisingly low. Of course, no product is perfect. The EcoZoom is heavier than many compact backpacking stoves, so ultralight hikers may find it less appealing. It's designed more for campsite cooking, RV travel, backyard use, and preparedness scenarios rather than minimalist backpacking adventures. Its sturdy construction is a strength, but that durability does come with added weight. Compared to similarly priced rocket stoves, the EcoZoom stands out because it combines insulation, fuel flexibility, and heavy-duty cooking capability. Many competitors can handle basic cooking tasks, but fewer can comfortably support larger cookware while maintaining strong efficiency and low smoke output. For users who regularly cook for families or groups, that distinction matters. The EcoZoom Rocket Stove is ideal for campers, overlanders, homesteaders, survivalists, emergency preparedness enthusiasts, and anyone who wants dependable outdoor cooking without relying on fuel canisters. If you're primarily focused on ultralight backpacking, there are lighter alternatives. But for everyone else, the EcoZoom offers a compelling blend of efficiency, durability, and versatility. Overall, This is one of those products that solves real-world outdoor cooking problems practically. It burns less fuel, produces less smoke, accommodates serious cookware, and delivers reliable performance in a wide range of environments. If those are priorities for you, the EcoZoom Rocket Stove is absolutely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest outdoor gear reviews. And if you'd like to check current pricing and availability, you'll find the product link waiting for you in the description below.